quite. I don't think I'll get enough speed up here with all this traffic to really kind of test it. Plus, you know, it is a public road, so I gotta keep that in mind. It's not my private racetrack. I wish this was my private racetrack. We will be driving very differently, trust me. Where I'm doing 45, we might be doing more like 85, 95. But hey, I have to respect the laws of the road, so it's a public road. I do understand that, so I'm gonna respect that. And we are gonna get this car out on the track anyway, so there we can push it in an environment that is much safer. Sorry if I sound boring, but hey, you know, this is the proper place to do it. The streets are not the proper place to go push your car at 85, 95, yeah, even 65, 75% of your driving ability. It's just not the place for it. I mean, like I said, I know I might sound boring saying that, but that is just really the true reality. And I encourage everybody that wants to drive their car fast. They really want to drive their car fast and they think that they're fast. A lot of people think they're fast because they drive their little cars around the streets at a fast little pace. Get on the track. Then you will see if you're fast or not. Those are the real testing grounds, not public roads. Now, with that said, I won't say that there's anything wrong with a little bit of spirited driving. You know, I say spirited, you know, I mean, you're maybe driving to a turn a little, but nothing crazy. You don't need to go crazy on the street. Just, you might get yourself hurt, somebody else. You don't have control of your surroundings. Unlike at a racetrack, you have more control of your surroundings. Around the streets, you just don't know who's gonna pull out in front of you. May not be paying attention. You hit them, you hurt them, you hurt yourself, you hurt your car, you hurt their car, whatever it may be. You can even kill somebody. So, you know, keep that in mind. This is a rough road right now. They're doing construction and the car's solid. I mean, it's not like, you know, people are saying that if I change the poly, I wasn't gonna like it, it's too rough for the street and this and that and blah blah blah, but it doesn't seem to be the case. It really doesn't. I don't hear any added noises like what they say I was gonna have. I don't have it. I mean, the tires are wider and grippier, so, you know, if there's like a uneven area in the road, it does tend to pull just a little bit, but those are because the tires are so aggressive. But besides that, they're perfect. And it's just a small little pull, very controllable. It's not nothing yanking at my hand or anything. I just could feel the pull a little bit, and that's because the road is uneven and tires have a lot of grip and they're very wide. The front tires are 255s, the back are 295. You know, that's a lot of tires, a lot of contact patch. Okay, so now we're in a rural area here in Central Florida. Hit some little back roads, got a few little turns. We get a little spirited back here. Not much traffic, just to see how changes of the suspension have made the dynamics in the handling of the car a little different. We're gonna flick in here, let's say third gear. Not too fast because I'm not used to the new changes. I don't know if it's gonna over-rotate or under-rotate. Man, that was a little too easy. You know, I don't know. I wasn't even pushing the car at all. I breezed through there like nobody's business. Very comfortable, very predictable. I didn't have to make any type of corrections. I mean, I wasn't going like hyper speed either. I do know I'm on a public road, but I went in there pretty spirited. Whereas before, I would feel a little bit of push on the front end. I felt no push at all. It's very direct. Everything just seems to be working just right. So I'm gonna go through a few other turns here that are pretty tight. I give a lot of space up front to make sure we don't run into any traffic, and we're just gonna go through here, like I said, in a spirited manner, to see how the physics and the handling have changed. So far they've been a very positive change. There's a no downforce car, not a bunch of downforce. I mean, there's some from the factory, but there's no added downforce. So it's all mechanical grip. Yeah, just very neutral. I will say less input of the steering wheel now. Yeah, way too easy. It doesn't feel unstable at all. I mean, we flicked through there at a pretty decent speed. You know, obviously without really pushing, but I mean, we went at a speed that's a little faster for the corner. It didn't feel crazy. Do the same here. Definitely have to soften up that rear shock a little bit. Has a lot of rotation. Random on the road. Dodge that. Yeah, she's hooked up. For sure she's hooked up. I'm sure there's probably a big flame from that. Too bad I don't have a camera back there, you can see it. Yeah, very comfortable. Very comfortable. No drama. It feels like with the extra grip in the front, the back is now losing a little bit. I wish we had some tighter stuff to kind of look a little more into my theory, so we wouldn't have to go so fast to make that happen, but unfortunately we don't have that, so we're just gonna make do with what we have. Yeah, a lot of people on motorcycles, nice little back road. One of the few little back roads back in my area that are fun to drive or fun to ride motorcycles. We're gonna flick back around and do it the other way. See how it goes. I can feel the rear end just a little bit. So it's a little looser than I wanted, but it's manageable. I wouldn't be surprised if we catch the stripes. Ah, we're gonna catch the truck. That sucks. Find a way around them. Through the corner. To get around the truck here. When it's safe to do so, of course. I could do it now, but not really legal, so we're not gonna do it. I think after this turn we can get around them. give the bike some room. I gotta tailgate them. Alright, all the little turns are done, so we'll just hang out behind the bikes here. It's a fun little twisty road, within reason, you know. So the trick finally caught up. Of course, now he's gonna ride my butt. But it's okay. We pay no mind to him. We're gonna be coming off into this turn either. Also, I hope he gives a little space. I don't want him to run into the back of me. He is kind of following close. Swing into this little road right here. Fun little road. Let's see what this little turn brings. Yeah, I can definitely feel the rear end a little bit. Have to do a little something to the rear suspension. A little too tight back there. Too much rotation. We could work on it though. Probably take the car to go get counterbalance and all that good stuff. We might even change the spring rates. I think right now we're at 12 kg front and back. So if we do 12 in the front and 10 in the back, that'll be much better. Tight right here, real tight. No drama though, I will say, no drama. Wait, this one too, see what it's like.
In 1,000 feet, turn right.
Definitely sharp there and slippery. That actually felt pretty good. That was a really good drive, guys. The car feels really good. The suspension feels nice, tight, predictable, a little loose in the back, a little too much rotation. We're gonna have to take care of that, handle that. 12 kg front and back might be a little too much for the setup. I'm thinking 12 kg and maybe 10 kg spring in the back would help the car. But as far as the alignment is spot on. No complaints. It's really good. So with that, we're gonna end this video for now and hope to see you guys in the next one. Until next time. Later, everyone.